July 2021. This is Aapelinraitti 7. For some reason it's marked as staircase A, but it's the only staircase apparently. That's A. That A is unnecessary. Capacity is 4 persons or 305 members and Otis Series 1. It's next to these 1996-97 built ones, but this is Series 1, so this is older than those. Even more interesting also. Built in 1995. Possibly late 1995 maybe. The serial number is B1 and the 1782. Yes, and it will be inspected in 2023. It turned 25 years old in 2020 last year. So now let's write it. This one is amazing. Yeah. Maybe finished later in 1995.
Yeah.
Yes, and this is in Haapalinna, Tampere, Finland, one of the suburbs.
Inspektiittaakin vain meidän temppaikki on.
This probably is still late 1995 because next to this is very close, it's early 1996.
Yeah.
It says 95 on the glass.
That's it.